student. I am Dr. Sheikhe Runi Narayan from the SGM College, Karad. I am an assistant professor at the SGM College, Karad. Today I teach you organic chemistry. Today's my topic is the reactive intermediate. Example for this carbocations. For carbocations, carbanion, free radicals, and carbons, nitrates. There are different types of reactive intermediates formed in a different chemical reaction during the organic synthesis in a organic reaction. These reactive intermediates have some different property from other chemical compounds. These reactive intermediates have a very short life. It have very short life. Then they are have high energy. They are most reactive compounds. These are most reactive one. These molecules, these reactive intermediate compounds, they have a very short life. That is, half-life period of this compound is very low. It having a high energy, so it having a very high energy. It is unstable, so it is the most reactive compound. Then these compounds are most unstable, so it is converted to a stable form. It is easily converted to a unstable form to a stable form. These compounds are unstable form to convert it into a stable form, so they are not a separated or not a stored, but some exceptional cases are also present. Then another point, from these different types of reactive intermediate compound, most popular reactive intermediate compound in the organic synthesis is the carbocation. So we see the first carbocation compounds or a carbocation reactive intermediate. First, carbocations. These carbocations, it is the ionic species. Carrying positive charge. In this species, carbocations are the ionic species. This ionic species, carbon carries the positive charge. It is electron deficient species. It does not complete its octet. In their valence shell, only 6 electrons are present. In its valence shell. It is also called as an electrophile. Carbocations are an ionic species. It also called as an electrophile because it is electron deficient species. In its valence shell only contain the 6 electrons. It is electrophilic species. What is meant by the electrophile? Phile means loving. Electro means electron. Electron loving species. Electrophiles are electron deficient. The carbocation is electron deficient, so it converted to a stable state. It requires the electron, so it goes to a electron rich species in the reaction. Then, how carbocations are generated? Then examples. First, you see the examples of different carbocations. For this, first we see this type of a carbocation. It called the methyl carbocation. Then second example, CH3CH2 plus. It called the ethyl carbocation. because in these two carbon atoms, so it called a ethyl carbocation. After that, another example, CH3CH plus CH3. It contains 3 carbon, propane. So it is called the isopropyl carbocation. It's called the isopropyl carbocation. It's called isopropyl carbocation because at the side chain contains CH3 group. It is an isopropyl group, so it's called the isopropyl carbocation. Then another example for this CH3 plus. This is the at the terminal position carbon carries 3 methyl group. It called the tertiary. In this compound contain 4 carbon, so it called the tertiary butyl carbocation. We call it tertiary butyl carbocation. In this carbocation, this carbon having neighboring only 1 carbon, so it called the 1 degree carbocation, or it called the primary carbocation. It called the 1 degree or a primary carbocation. Then this carbon attached to a 2 different methyl groups, so it called the 2 degree or we call the secondary carbocation. We call it secondary carbocation. Then third, tertiary butyl carbocation. In tertiary butyl carbocation, carbon is attached to 3 different methyl groups, so it called tertiary butyl carbocation, but it is the 3 degree carbocation. It is also called as the primary, secondary or tertiary carbocation. There are many examples of different types of carbocations. Then many different compounds like unsaturated compounds. It called this type of a compound. It called sp2 carbon neighboring CH2. It called the this position is called the allylic position, and this carbocation is called the allylic carbocation. Then if CH double bond CH2, this type of a carbocation, this carbocation unsaturated carbon, double bonded carbon carries positive charge. sp2 carbon carries positive charge. It called this position is called the vinylic position. So this carbocation is called the vinyl carbocation. Then another example we see it, that is the CH2 plus. It called the benzyl carbocation. There are different types of carbocations which are present in organic reaction. These are different types of carbocation we use in organic synthesis during the reaction. Then how this carbocation is generated? Then there are different methods for the generation of different carbocations. Let us see it. Generation of the carbocation. Generation of this carbocation is carried out. Carbocation is an ionic species. So generation of this carbocation is carried out by the heterolytic fusion. You see the generation of carbocation. Generation of carbocation is carried out by heterolytic fusion reaction. Heterolytic generation of carbocation is carried out by the heterolytic fusion reaction. If any organic compound containing atoms, different electronegativity containing atoms, some are positive, some are electronegative atoms, then there is a dipole moment difference and electronegativity difference that creates the carbocation by heterolytic fusion. First example for this, during the formation of a carbocation, lone pair of electron from one atom to other atom completely shifted. So it produced the ions, that is the carbocation. First, generation of carbocation by the first method, that is the solvolysis. Solvolysis. Generation of carbocation is carried out by the solvolysis method. In this alkyl halide compound, in this reaction, alkyl halide, that is Rx, react with the solvent. It react with a solvent, polar solvent. It react with a polar solvent. It produce in this alkyl halide X, that is the halogen. It is a more electronegative, so it accept or it have a tendency to, in this, इसमें क्या होता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके पास खींचे जाते हैं, इसे कहते हैं इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. सो इन दिस इट फॉर्म्स दिस टाइप ऑफ R plus HX. Halogen is in this compound, halogen leaving group, and it forms the HX, and R plus is formed. R plus is nothing but the carbocation formed in the reaction. It is the carbocation formed in this reaction. Then second example for this, we see by the decomposition method. Deamination. Second reaction, that is the deamination reaction or decomposition. It may be called decomposition reaction. In this azide compounds like this, in this azide compounds like this. These diazo compounds, organodiazo compound, on heating at a room temperature, by heating at room temperature, it undergo decomposition, and it forms R plus N2 plus Cl minus. This R plus nothing but the alkyl carbocation. It's called the carbocation. This type of a carbocation is formed in this reaction by the decomposition method. Then this is the second method, that is deamination reaction, or it may be we called it decomposition reaction. Then third one is the by addition of acid. Third reaction is the addition of acid. We generate carbocation by third reaction, that is the addition of acid. Third reaction is the addition of acids. Bronsted acid and Lewis acid are added to a unsaturated compound, and the compound containing heteroatom like oxygen, it creates a carbocation. For this first example, if we consider unsaturated compound, that is the alkene. Addition alkene compound react with a acid containing proton. It forms carbocation. In this reaction, it forms the carbocation. This type of a species is a reactive intermediate form. It called the carbocation. Then another example for this. This is unsaturated alkene. Then second example, aldehyde or a ketone. There are many reactions in organic synthesis. In this, the aldehyde and ketone also creates or generates the carbocation by different methods. Then within it, aldehyde and ketone generates the carbocation. For this, if we consider aldehyde or ketone, aldehyde or the ketone, it reacts with the acid containing H plus. It forms this type of a carbocation. It forms this type of a carbocation. Then another method for the generation of a carbocation from the aldehyde and ketone is the addition of Lewis acid. This aldehyde or ketone, this is the aldehyde or ketone, react with Lewis acid, that is AlCl3. It is the Lewis acid. Why AlCl3 is called the Lewis acid? Because its octet is not completed, it is electron deficient species, so it called the Lewis acid. Aldehyde and ketone react with this Lewis acid and it forms the reactive intermediate species, that is the carbocation. This step occurs in a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. We use this step in Friedel-Crafts acylation also. Then AlCl3, it forms minus and here the plus charge. This type of a carbocation is also reacted in this reaction. Then this is the method for the creation of generation of a carbocation from aldehyde and the ketone. Then third, if we use ether, from the ether we produce the carbocation. These ether compounds react with the acid containing H plus ion. Then it forms this type of a compound. That is, this type of intermediate state is of the H dash and here plus charge. Then it gives R plus R dash OH. This is the R plus means alkyl carbocation. Then from alcohol also we produce a carbocation. For this, alcohols react with the Lewis acid. For this alcohol compounds, alcohol, that is ROH. OH is the functional group within it. Organic alcohols, ROH, react with the Lewis acid like the BF3. It is the electron deficient species. It acts as the Lewis acid. This is the alcohol. This species BF3 is the electron deficient. So it forms ROH BF3 and this H plus. This type of intermediate is formed. Then it converted to a R plus HOBF3. This is the R plus nothing but the alkyl carbocation. It is the alkyl carbocation. This is the method for the this is the different generation method for a carbocation. Carbocation is produced by the different method. These are the different methods for the creation or production of a carbocation. Today we see this carbocation, and tomorrow we see the stability of carbocation and the reactions of a carbocation. Thank you.